Isn't it crucial to become fluent in English? Right? Hello, this is Neha, and today I'll talk about how you could be fluent in English. So I'm just going to be share one tip today, and you have to just follow it for next 3 months, and you will see the difference. So the first tip is simply mean that you have to be watch something in English. Like it could be cartoon movies and the cartoon episode as well in which you are interested. You just have to be pay attention that what kind of things you are just going to be watch in English. But you have to be allocate the particular time that you have to be spent watching something in English. It could be like that 10 to 15 minutes, but you have to be do it every day because consistency is the key. If you are thinking, okay, I'm just going to be follow it for next 1 week or the 2 weeks, and after that I'm just going to be give up, then it's not going to be work for you, because the consistency and the discipline is the key here. And that's why you have to be follow it for at least next 3 months, and you will see the huge difference